Hello and welcome to our video on wood routers. A router is a versatile tool that allows you to make precise cuts, carve intricate designs, and shape edges on wood and other materials. Before we dive into the world of wood routing, we want to remind you of the importance of supporting content creators like us. By hitting the like and subscribe buttons, you're not only showing your support for our channel, but you're also ensuring that you never miss out on any of our future videos. So, before we continue, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons, and let's get started on creating beautiful woodwork together. There are two main types of routers: plunge routers and fixed base routers. Plunge routers allow you to adjust the depth of the cut while the router is in motion, while fixed base routers have a fixed depth of cut and are better suited for more precise work. When using a router, it's important to use the right type of bit for the job at hand. There are many different types of router bits available, each with its own specific purpose. For example, straight bits are used for cutting straight edges, while round-over bits are used for creating rounded edges. To use a router, you'll first need to set the depth of cut. This is done by adjusting the height of the router bit. Next, you'll need to secure the piece of wood to your work surface. You can do this with clamps or router table. Once your wood is secure, you're ready to begin routing. To start, turn on the router and carefully guide it along the desired cutting path. Always use both hands to control the router and go slowly to ensure a smooth and precise cut. Safety is very important when using a wood router. Always wear safety goggles and ear protection, and be sure to keep your fingers away from the moving router bit. That's it for our video on wood routers. We hope you found it informative and helpful. Thanks for watching.